Hey everybody, hey, John Jackson here, and I am excited to come all the way from Texas, from Fort Worth, Texas to Alabama for the Alabama Real Estate Entrepreneurs Meeting November 12th. Now, what are we going to be talking about on November 12th? We're going to be talking about lease options, baby. I've done lease options for 21 years. That's my specific niche in real estate. We're going to talk about the three different types of lease options, how you can buy, sell, or control real estate using lease options. I'll even be diving into lease option assignments, which is really what we specialize in, where you can actually make money on a house that you don't own, you have no risk in, no money in, no rehab in, and how you can actually make 5% of the price of the house using a lease option assignment. I think lease options are probably the easiest way to start in real estate for most people because you don't need money, don't need credit, you're not rehabbing anything, you're not negotiating with a seller, seller's getting full price. So we'll cover all of that on November 12th at the Alabama Real Estate Entrepreneurs Meeting, November 12th. Whew, it's going to be a lot of fun, really exciting. Again, we're talking about lease options, baby. I'll show you all the ins and outs and answer all your questions you've got. November 12th, talking about lease options, buy, sell, or control real estate using little to no money. We'll see you there November 12th. Excited to be there.